Cool. Question 1i, in the range 90, well, negative 90 rather, negative 90 to 90, how many values of x are there for which the sum to infinity, 1 over tan squared plus 1 over tan squared plus 1 over tan cubed plus so on, equals tan x? Okay, so basically we do what we're told, right? Because it's a sum to infinity, so we use the formula. What's the equation? The equation is a over 1 minus r, right? So what's the a? A is 1 over tan x. What's my r? My r is also 1 over tan x, right? Because you multiply by 1 over tan x each time such that the power down there increases constantly. Okay, so off we go. So a over 1 minus r, God's sake, massive fraction. All right, and it says equals tan x, right? The question tells me equals tan x, so there you go. Cool. So what's left now is that you've got to solve this properly. So what would I do? Well, what I would do is that I hate fractions within fractions, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by tan x, such that I can actually get rid of the fraction within fraction. So far so good? And then now you solve the rest, basically. All right, so now you can go 1 equals to tan squared. Oh god, why is the x in the power? Can't do maths. Okay, so it's tan squared x minus tan x. All right, okay, so which equals 0 equals tan squared x minus tan x minus 1. Okay, so this is unsolvable, right? And then you might start to panic. Well, if it's unsolvable and I don't have a calculator, then what do I do? Right? I mean, tan x is a very dodgy value. There's no way that I could do arctan in my head, right? Okay, but then the thing is that you know this quadratic has solutions, right? You know that this quadratic has two solutions because if you take the discriminant of it, then you have negative 1 squared minus 4, 1, negative 1, which is definitely greater than 0. It's greater than 0, right? Okay, so therefore, tan x can be a or tan x can be b. Right? Tan x could be some value a, tan x could be some value b. Okay, now, if we read the question, x is between negative 90 and 90, right? That corresponds to one branch of the tan graph, which is this branch in the middle. Yeah, this branch is, well, 1 to 1, right? This branch is 1 to 1, which is very nice, right? So therefore, if tan x equals to a, that generates one solution only, and if tan x equals to b, it's going to generate another solution. Yeah? And also there are no restrictions on the values of a and b because the range of this tan function is, literally the whole real line, right? So therefore, I'll have two solutions, right? Because one is generated by tan x equals a, the other one by tan x equals to b. So you see, I don't care what the value of x is, right? I only care how many solutions there are. Classic trick.